Hi everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to delete Facebook page. So all you have to do is to log into your Facebook account, and then the best thing to do here is to switch from your Facebook account or Facebook profile to your Facebook page. So in order to do that, you just have to tap your profile or your picture here, and then you can see here, this is my page. So all I have to do is to click switch or tap the picture of the page. So here it is. Now, in order to delete this page, you just have to go to settings. Now scroll down and tap this privacy. So we have options here, but under privacy, you just have to tap this Facebook page information and then scroll down and look for the option, the activation and delete. Now tap this one, and then all you have to do is to simply choose any of the option here. But of course, we're going to delete your page. So choose the second one and click continue. But please, you have to be sure, or you have to make sure that you want to delete your Facebook page. So you can also click continue if you want to download your information or transfer a copy of information before deleting. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.